So we are here at the White House in Baguio. So it's so pretty. Look at the chandelier, and there's lots of pretty, very beautiful statues around here. Julia, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. So yes, my vlog. So yes, so nice. Let's go in here. Say hi to my vlog.
Yeah,
Say hi to my vlog, mommy.
Okay.
Yes, why? This is my vlog. Say hi. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Lots of beautiful furniture. Looks very antique and very expensive. Here is the view around. I'm not sure if this is Camp John here, but yeah. And
We're here at Lord of Sands.
yes.
Look, it's raining.
Yes. Very nice view.
Baby shark playing.
There's karaoke here. Yes? Yes. So what do you think of the place so far?
Well, it's okay. Solo natin yung lugar.
Yes.
Finally, nandito lang tayo.
We're gonna feel like millionaires.
May bayad.
We're gonna feel like...
Sana dyan na lang tayo kumain. Hindi bawal, may cordon.
Hindi, baka pwede.
Andiyan yung mukha ni Joel ko sa'yo.
Where, let's see. Oh, wait lang. Oh, there. Ayun yung carving, oh. Nice. That's, ano yan? Customized?
Yes, it's customized.
Yes.
So, may elevator dito.
Yes. We'll show it later.
Yes.
Hi, Kuya! Yes, okay. We'll continue the tour later. Okay.